Oscar triggered a couple of birds. I think the parents were up on this iron fence up there. And they were squawking at Oscar. As soon as he heard him, he came running from back up at the front towards the birds. I think the birds are up in that magnolia. I think it's magnolia tree. I can't remember. I like to see the day where those birds get close enough and Oscar actually gets one and get that on video. Cats kill, I read on the internet where cats kill worldwide, they kill like 53 million birds a year. So just proves how birds underestimate the athletic ability of cats. They think they're safe up there in their trees, but they're not. They don't realize how cats can leap and run and climb trees and stuff in an instant. Okay, I got a question for you globe earthers out there. Okay, how is it possible for the moon to be up in the sky along with the sun? The sun and moon are both in the sky at the same time. Yet, we're supposed to be on a globe. We live on a flat earth. And you'll never convince me otherwise. I've been awakened to the flat earth. It's not a theory, it's a fact. The globe is BS thought up by men to entrap humanity, thinking we're trapped in outer space somewhere, and when we're not. Earth is flat and we have no idea how far it goes. There's the moon up there, and then there's the sun up there. We are on a flat earth. Just Google it, flat earth. What's up, man? Oscar boy. All right, Texas cat over and out.